Tie-ins. How to autofill your cells. This is a no-brainer, but so easily overlooked. You start typing a series of repetitive things like dates, the 1st of January, 23, the 1st of February, 23, the 1st of March, 23, etc., and you know you're in for a long day. Instead, begin the series and move the cursor on the screen to the lower right part of the last cell, the fill handle. When it turns into a plus sign, plus symbol, click and drag to select all the cells you need to fill. They'll magically fill using the pattern you started. It can go up or down a column, or left or right on a row. Even better, try autofill without much of a pattern. Again, pick a cell or cells, move to the fill handle, right-click, and drag. You'll get a menu of options. The more data you input at first, the better the fill series option will do creating your autofill options. Check out this Microsoft tutorial.